Theppana Waterfall Theppana Waterfall Theppana Waterfall is located in Pa Hin Ngam National Park. It's the middle-sized waterfall. Originate from Hoi Krachuan. Which streams from Panghoi Mountain. The waterfall divided into 3 layers. The top layer is 3 to 4 meter height. The second layer is 2 to 3 meter height. And the last layer is 6 meters height. In rainy season, usually has tons of water. The tourists can enjoy swimming because the soft steam is harmless.